Hi guys, my name is Sriram Sili. Today we are going to open this Apsara art kit set. This set includes 3 poster colors and 3 pencils, 12 wax crayons and 6 watercolors and 12 oil pastels. In poster colors we get lemon yellow, blue and red. Oil pastels, white, lemon yellow, orange and all. We get in wax crayons, yellow, orange, black and all. We get watercolors, white, lemon yellow, red and all. And we get 3 pencils. Bye bye.